In this video, I'll show you how to find and access your Lemfi account, whether you're trying to log back in or just need help locating it. First, open your browser or the Lemfi app if you have it installed. If you're using a new device or haven't logged in before, go to Lemfi's official website or search for the app in your app store. Now click on Log In or Sign In. You'll usually see that option right on the home page. Enter the email and password you used when creating your Lemfi account. If you've forgotten your password, click on Forgot Password and follow the steps to reset it. If you're not sure which email you used, check your inbox for any welcome or confirmation emails from Lemfi. That should help jog your memory. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your Lemfi dashboard, where you can view your virtual cards, transactions, and account settings. And that's it. If you're still having trouble finding your account, reach out to Lemfi support through their website. They're usually pretty quick to respond. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy guides like this one. See you next time.